Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the like and share button. Wild salmon cakes with quinoa salad. Orange zest adds just the right amount of citrus to these fish cakes. The quinoa base also sneaks in extra protein and B vitamins. This easy-to-make super carb diet meal is fresh and filling. Ingredients: 1 pound skinless wild salmon, cut into small chunks. 2 green onions, sliced. 1/2 teaspoons. Grated orange zest. Kosher salt. 2 teaspoons. Extra virgin olive oil. 1/4 c. Fresh basil, chopped. 3 tablespoon orange juice. 3 tablespoon sherry vinegar. Extra virgin olive oil. Freshly ground black pepper. 5 c. Cooked quinoa. 5 c. Packed mixed greens. Orange wedges, for serving. Directions: 1. In food processor, pulse salmon, green onion, and orange zest until finely chopped. Form into 8 cakes. Freeze 10 minutes. Season with 1/4 teaspoon salt. In 12 non-stick skillet, heat 2 teaspoons olive oil on medium. Add cakes. Cook 4 minutes per side. 2. Meanwhile, in large bowl, whisk basil, orange juice, sherry vinegar, 2 tablespoon olive oil, and 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Add quinoa and mixed greens, tossing to combine. Serve with salmon cakes and orange wedges, if desired. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.